how precious the sunlight is after days of gray. It tricks my senses into believing it's warm, even at a cold 27 degrees this late November afternoon. The frozen ground beneath my boots crunches the crispy autumn leaves that had fallen just after peak a month or so ago. Soon it will be the winter solstice, and the earth will be blanketed with snow. There won't be much copper for the sunlight to cast golden specks upon. From gold to silver, the forest will glow. I wonder what the squirrels are feeling this cold yet sunny November day. A few of them greeted me from their trees, not yet nestled in for the winter, I suppose. Possibly they were territorial and defending their hard work of gathering all the nuts and seeds for their slumber. What would it be like for me to gather all my food for winter and hunker down in a cozy nest inside a hollowed-out tree while the world outside is frozen? I'd miss my winter walks and all the delicious variety of foods us humans are spoiled with and able to enjoy all year. I wonder if the bears are ready for their hibernation yet. I've been seeing less and less signs of their presence. While in the forest, I imagine all the creatures following their natural rhythms, each living in touch with the seasons from deep within their bodies. I suddenly feel very disconnected. Even while my family gardens and loves each season embracing the magic of them all, I am aware that soon I'll be going home to start a fire and sip hot chocolate. I laugh now, imagining my Yule tree in the living room. How silly we must seem to the forest dwellers. My mind scurries to the mice that make their way into my home each winter. They surely know the blessings of our human creature comforts. I hear gunshots. My heart drops to the floor. November is hunting season, and I forgot to wear orange. Everything else holds a palpable silence. I feel connected to the silence and stillness. The echoed gunshot scatters the silence and stillness into tiny particles, leaving the only choice to scurry or freeze and fear for one's life. Even here in this holy cathedral where I come to pray each day, with those living closest to God in every possible way. The sunlight casting kaleidoscope pigments like the colored stained glass in the churches. This is my sanctuary, and also the home to many souls. I'm drawn to my body, which too is the home for many cells, bacteria, and viruses. All of life living in community, moving towards peace and harmony among infinite diversity. The sermon of the forest brought me back to unity. I carry the sunlight within me.